Hello and welcome to the Electrical Engineering Bootcamp Knowledge in Minutes. In this video, I'm going to talk about disconnect switches in substations. A disconnect switch is used to make sure a circuit is completely de-energized. In substations, the disconnect switch is for isolating equipment such as transformers and breakers so that the crews can safely maintain them. Now, even though some switch disconnects have arc extinguishing capabilities, these are not used for breaking a live circuit and mainly to be opened when de-energized. We will leave the breaking of the circuit to the hands of the circuit breaker. In fact, disconnect switches have lockout-tagout procedures in many substations to safeguard the operation of these switches when the circuit is energized. Now, speaking of arc extinguishing capability, some may actually have arcing horns that stretch the arc until it cannot sustain itself, whereas some equipped with a whip to extinguish the arc, and while some other ones have switch contacts that are immersed in oil that quenches the arc. If you want to build a more comprehensive knowledge base revolving around the substations, I recommend you to check out my course in Udemy called Substation Power Engineering Fundamentals. Now, this is a comprehensive video course where you can learn industry-specific knowledge about power substations that you would not have known unless you worked within the utility industry for a number of years. So if you're interested in joining this course, please check it out with the link in the video description from this video.